He's getting stuff out of front.
Oh, there's a little frog
There.
right there. You'll see him in a second. He'll jump. He's like really close to our sidewalk. He's sitting on like a white piece of paint. Oh, he's gonna get got. He's over here. He's not by the hand. He's right by the entrance to where the garage used to be. Oh, he just moved. Oh, he's really close to her.
Let's see.
He's closer this way. He's probably about 5 feet this direction from that hand. Oh no. He's gonna jump. Oh, he's still not.
You see, you're
He's
touching
really close to the grass. Where the garage door ooh, he just when he's frozen. He's not gonna move. He's blended in.
Is he in the middle? Is he at the grass line?
He's like a foot from the grass line by the sidewalk. The thing is, you can't see him because he's.
Which sidewalk?
So this sidewalk. Oh, the door is. Oh, there
Oh,
it
I
goes.
see. Yep.
Oh. Well, I think he's scared solid. Oh, go. The frog is still there. I would be surprised if he's crawling under that board. Go rescue it.